Extermination, conquest to kill all they believe in. New destination, invasion of all they believe in. Eradication, exterminate all
6S Glide builds coming along.
Annihilation, invade their whole world and
these
enslave
motors.
them. Stripped of their culture, forced to believe in. Convert the sinners, change or get beaten. Goodbye to spirits, accept new demons. No
Just
time
waiting on
for
a
questions,
VTX.
don't ask for reasons. Washed up their
Everything else
faith,
hooked up.
thrown in the fire.
Got this
Deities replaced,
Wi-Fi buzzer.
wisdom will
Didn't realize when I bought it, but they changed it. It's a fucking mini USB now. And it senses a hard crash. I don't know if I like that or not. I'll find out the first crash or two, and then I'll probably get another one and wire it in like the old school way. It's nice when you get used to a frame and you get used to all the components, and you can just kind of standardize where you put everything. And it makes the whole build process easier. Running your pigtail to your Model T through your shrink tube on the receiver. I mean, that's pretty common. It's nice to zip tie it down. First time I tried these little race wire LEDs. I usually don't put LEDs on it, but lately I've been into them, so doing the LED thing. Anyways, that's the Glide. Can't wait to rip these motors.